Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna teach you what is the div and the benefits of it. And before we start the lesson, don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button and like this video. And let's start our lesson. First you have to know how the tag is being written. You will write it like this, div and enter. Here it is. Div is a container. You can write a lot of information and element inside, and all that info is considered as one piece or one part, and you can control them using CSS or JavaScript as one element, although it contains a lot of elements. Let's try it practically. For example, if I have this information inside the main div, I have two paragraphs and one span. I have three elements inside the div, and each element contains a sentence inside it. And let's go to the live server and see the result of this element. These changes without using CSS. Here it is. This is HTML course, this is CSS course, this is my new project. And each one is in the different line. And let's go to change only the div by using CSS. And we will change the background of the div. Background color, let's make it blue and enter. And let's go to see the result of these changes. How you see the background of all the elements inside the div changed to the blue, and it considered as one element. Although I have three elements inside the div, so it considered them as one element only. And this is the benefit of the div. Then you have to know that div is inline block element. What that means, I will teach you now. For example, if we have three divs here and inside them written something, and let's change the background using CSS to know what the inline block means. So here we will change the background of all divs that we have. Background color, let's make it yellow. And let's go to see the results of these changes. How you see it shows like this. Each one a different line, and each one fills the full line without any spaces between them. And this is what inline block means. And here we finished our lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button, like this video and share the video with your friends. And thank you so much for listening.